Hi student, we are studying the preparation of methods of amines. So in which we can prepare amine from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides we can prepare amine. So in which we are going to study about very important reactions, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Gabriel thalamide synthesis reactions. So using the Gabriel thalamide synthesis, we can prepare aliphatic primary amine. We can prepare aliphatic primary amines. Aliphatic primary amine using Gabriel thalamide synthesis, we can prepare aliphatic primary amine. So in this Gabriel thalamide synthesis, we are taking the thalamide. We are taking thalamide. We obtain the thalamide from phthalic acids. We are obtained the thalamide from phthalic acids. We are taking thalamide. This is the thalamide. This is the thalamide. So we are taking thalamide on treatment with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide. On treatment with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Here water molecules goes out. This hydrogen and this OH goes as a water molecules minus H2, it gives potassium salt of thalamide. Potassium salt of thalamide. We are taking the thalamide. This thalamide on treatment with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium salt of thalamide. C double bond O, C double bond O, here N K. This is presence as a N minus K plus. This is the potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. This potassium thalamide on heating with the alkyl halide, on heating with the alkyl halide RX, so we can write alkyl halide RXA. So this undergo nucleophilic substitution by molecular reaction. It undergoes SN2 reactions. It undergoes SN2 reactions. It gives N-alkyl thalamide. Here this potassium and halogen goes as a potassium halide. The potassium and halogen goes as a potassium halide. It gives N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide. C double bond O, here C double bond O, here N there. This is the N-alkyl thalamide. This is the N-alkyl thalamide. This N-alkyl thalamide undergoes alkaline hydrolysis. Undergoes alkaline hydrolysis. we are taking aqueous potassium hydroxide. It gives primary amine. It gives primary aliphatic primary amine or NH2 or NH2 plus, this is the primary amine, this is the 1 degree amine, or we can say primary amine, and potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. C double bond O, here O, K, C double bond O, here OK. This is the potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. So we can prepare the amine from alkyl halides. Here we are discussing about the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. In Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, we are taking phthalimide. This phthalimide on treatment with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium salt of phthalimide or potassium phthalimide. This potassium phthalimide on treatment with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, we are taking general formula RX alkyl halide. It gives N-alkyl phthalimide. N-alkyl phthalimide here minus Kx. Okay, potassium halide goes out. Alkyl halide, N-alkyl phthalimide. This N-alkyl phthalimide undergoes alkaline hydrolysis, gives primary amine. Primary amine and potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. This is the very important reactions for preparation of amines from Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So the preparation of amine from Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So in these methods, the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, we can prepare the primary aliphatic amine, aliphatic primary amines. We can prepare from Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. We can prepare aliphatic primary amines. So phthalimide, in this method, the phthalamides on treatment with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide or alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium phthalimide, potassium salt of phthalimide, which on heating with the alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis gives primary amine. So in this method, we cannot prepare aniline because the aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by the phthalimide. It's a very important point. From Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, we cannot prepare aniline because the aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions with the anion formed by the phthalimide. Very important. In statement, it will be asked which one the correct statement. Okay, so aniline cannot be prepared from Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So very important named reactions for preparation of amines. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. So the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, we are taking the potassium phthalimide. The potassium phthalimide on treatment with the alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium salt of phthalimide. This potassium salt of phthalimide on heating with the alkyl halide, it gives N-alkyl phthalimide. This N-alkyl phthalimide undergoes alkaline hydrolysis, gives primary amines and potassium phthalate. Potassium phthalate. So this is a very important method for the preparation of amines. So This is a named reaction, Gabriel Thalmaid synthesis. I hope you understand, student. Thank you.